The Dodge Challenger is more than just a car, it is a symbol of American automotive passion, power, and performance. Since its debut in the late 1960s, the Challenger has captured the hearts of car enthusiasts and casual drivers alike, becoming an enduring icon of muscle car culture. Its bold design, thunderous engine options, and unapologetic attitude have made it a standout in the automotive world, representing the spirit of freedom, rebellion, and raw power that defines the American muscle car. The story of the Dodge Challenger begins in 1970, during the golden age of muscle cars. At the time, the automotive industry was fiercely competitive, with manufacturers vying to create the fastest, most powerful, and most stylish vehicles. Dodge entered the fray with the Challenger, a car designed to compete with the likes of the Ford Mustang and Chevrolet Camaro. From the very beginning, the Challenger was built to make a statement. Its sleek, aggressive design, characterized by a long hood, short deck, and wide stance, immediately set it apart from the crowd. The car was available in a range of vibrant colors and trim options, allowing buyers to customize their Challenger to reflect their personality and style. Under the hood, the Challenger offered a variety of engine options, catering to a wide range of drivers. From the base model's modest inline-six engine to the range-topping Hemi V8, the Challenger was a car that could be as tame or as wild as its owner desired. The most powerful versions, such as the Challenger RT and the legendary Challenger SRT Hellcat, were capable of producing jaw-dropping levels of horsepower, making them some of the fastest cars on the road. The Challenger's performance capabilities were not just about straight-line speed, its handling and braking systems were also finely tuned to deliver a thrilling driving experience. The Challenger's impact on popular culture cannot be overstated. It quickly became a symbol of rebellion and freedom, appearing in movies, television shows, and music videos. One of the most famous appearances of the Challenger was in the 1971 cult classic film Vanishing Point, where a white 1970 Challenger RT played a central role in the story. The car's high-speed chase scenes and its association with the film's anti-hero protagonist cemented its status as a cultural icon. Over the years, the Challenger has continued to make appearances in various forms of media, further solidifying its place in the collective imagination. Despite its initial success, the Challenger faced challenges in the 1970s and 1980s. The oil crisis, changing consumer preferences, and stricter emissions regulations led to a decline in the popularity of muscle cars. Dodge discontinued the Challenger in 1974, and for many years, it seemed like the car might fade into obscurity. However, the Challenger's legacy lived on, kept alive by enthusiasts and collectors who cherished its unique blend of style and performance. In 2008, Dodge revived the Challenger, bringing it back to life for a new generation of drivers. The modern Challenger paid homage to its classic predecessor while incorporating contemporary technology and design elements. The retro-inspired styling, with its distinctive dual-hood scoops, rectangular grille, and bold lines, was an instant hit with fans of the original car. At the same time, the new Challenger offered modern amenities such as advanced infotainment systems, safety features, and improved fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for everyday driving. The modern Challenger also continued the tradition of offering a wide range of engine options, catering to drivers with different needs and preferences. The base model came equipped with a V6 engine, providing a balance of power and efficiency. For those seeking more performance, Dodge offered V8 engines in various configurations, including the legendary Hemi. The introduction of the Challenger SRT Hellcat in 2015 took things to a whole new level, with a supercharged Hemi V8 producing over 700 horsepower. This made the Hellcat one of the most powerful production cars ever built, capable of accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just a few seconds. Dodge later upped the ante with the Challenger SRT Demon, a limited edition model designed specifically for drag racing, with over 800 horsepower and specialized features to maximize performance on the strip. The Challenger's success in the modern era can be attributed to its ability to strike a balance between nostalgia and innovation. While it pays tribute to its heritage with its classic design and powerful engines, it also embraces modern technology and engineering advancements. Features such as adaptive suspension, launch control, and customizable driving modes allow drivers to tailor the car's performance to their preferences, whether they're cruising on the highway or tearing up the track. The Challenger's interior is equally impressive, with high-quality materials, comfortable seating, and state-of-the-art technology creating a luxurious and immersive driving experience. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Challenger is its ability to appeal to a wide range of drivers. For some, it is a practical and stylish daily driver, offering a comfortable ride and modern conveniences. For others, it is a high-performance machine, capable of delivering adrenaline-pumping thrills on demand. And for many, it is a symbol of nostalgia, evoking memories of a bygone era when muscle cars ruled the road. The Challenger's versatility and broad appeal have helped it maintain its popularity in an increasingly competitive automotive market. The Challenger's impact extends beyond its performance and design. It has also played a significant role in shaping the identity of the Dodge brand. In recent years, Dodge has embraced its reputation as a manufacturer of high-performance vehicles, and the Challenger has been at the forefront of this effort. The car's success has inspired Dodge to develop other performance-oriented models, such as the Charger and Durango, further solidifying its position as a leader in the American automotive industry. The Challenger has also become a symbol of American ingenuity and craftsmanship, showcasing the best of what American car manufacturers can achieve. As the automotive industry continues to evolve, with a growing focus on electric vehicles and sustainability, the future of the Challenger remains uncertain. Dodge has hinted at the possibility of an electric Challenger, which would mark a significant departure from the car's traditional V8 engines. While some enthusiasts may be skeptical of this shift, others see it as an opportunity to redefine what a muscle car can be. An electric Challenger could offer instant torque, blistering acceleration, and zero emissions, combining the best of modern technology with the spirit of the classic muscle car. Regardless of what the future holds, the Dodge Challenger will always hold a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts. It is a car that embodies the spirit of freedom, power, and individuality, reminding us of a time when the open road was a canvas for adventure and self-expression. Whether it's the classic models from the 1970s or the modern iterations that continue to push the boundaries of performance, the Challenger is a testament to the enduring appeal of the American muscle car. It is a car that inspires passion, ignites imaginations, and leaves an indelible mark on the automotive landscape. The Dodge Challenger is not just a car, it is a legend.